As I told in my last video, here I am sharing DIY pot painting part 2. Hey everyone, I am Pallavi from Find Inspiration. If you are new to my channel or you are not yet subscribed my channel, please do consider subscribing for such more videos. If you have not yet watched the part 1 of this video, I will share the link in the description box. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So here I am using this terracotta matka which I brought it for my kitchen for cooking purpose, but accidentally it got damaged, and here I am using this for my DIY. As you can see the damage, there was a hole and I just filled it using Fevicryl molded clay. Okay, coming back to our DIY, here I am using white acrylic color as a base coat. I am going to use this stencil to make some pattern on this pot. So in the middle I just placed the stencil with pattern and I just made a sketch, and again placing it in this way I just made the pattern above and below, and again once again in the middle. The pattern which I wanted is not exactly as that of the stencil, as you can see. So now let's start coloring our pattern. The stencil which I have used is from Itsy Bitsy. I'll share the link in the description box. If you are interested, you can check there. And you can use my coupon code Pallavi5 to get 5% extra discount. Okay, once again coming back to the video, here I am using ultramarine blue acrylic color to paint the pattern, and I am using flat brush. You might have seen this type of pattern on ceramic mugs, plates, etc. And I thought of making the same pattern on this terracotta matka. I have used 2 coats of this color to get the desired shade. If you don't get this type of design, you can also opt triangle or diamond shape design. Okay, now we will fill the color on the upper and the lower part. You can also try this type of design on mugs or any other containers also. So here I am done, and you can see after 2 coats it looks brighter. Now to paint the rim and the borders, I am going to use chrome yellow color. So just by adding this color only, the pot is looking so beautiful, and I am excited to see the end result of this DIY. So let's paint the upper and the lower border also. So if you are going to try this type of DIY, you can share it with me on my Instagram. I will share the link in the description box. I would like to thank all the subscribers and the viewers for your love and support. So once I am done with my painting, I'll keep it for drying, and finally I'll give a coat of varnish. Here I am using varnish which I brought from a local hardware shop, and here comes the final reveal of our matka. It's looking so beautiful and elegant. And here I have added some greenery by placing a turtle vine plant inside this. You can use such type of pots to decorate your living area, balcony area, etc. Now let's get into the second DIY. For this, here I am using this urli. If you are my subscriber, you might have seen this urli in the terracotta haul video. And as the festivals are arriving, I thought of giving a makeover for this urli. Fine. So for this I am going to use black acrylic color as a base coat. I use this urli to keep some aquatic plants in this, and this time I thought of giving a makeover for this festival. It's completely dry now, and I am going to use Fevicryl pearl metallic colors to paint the pot. To paint it, here I am using a dry brush so that I get a desired shade. The colors which I am using are the green, blue, pink and golden copper metallic colors. I have used green metallic color for the borders and copper metallic color for the surface. To paint the rim, I am using pink metallic color, and I just give some strokes using gold metallic color. To paint these beads, I am using blue metallic color. Once you are done with your coloring, you have to give a coat of varnish to secure your painting. And this is how our urli looks after painting. Presently I have not kept anything inside this. Planning to use it as a decorative item, and I'll share the picture in the Instagram and you can follow me there. Now coming to the last DIY, here I am using this pot which comes along with bouquet. It was slightly damaged and I made the surface even by using Fevicryl molded clay. So here as a base coat I am using white acrylic color. I already drew some pattern on this, and using chrome yellow color I am going to paint the patterns. If you are inspired by this DIY and you are going to try any of these DIY, you can share it with me on my Instagram. If you want, you can follow the same pattern which I am doing, or else you can make your own. Okay, now to fill the pattern from inside I am using black acrylic color. Here I am using a flat brush to fill the colors. Using 00 number brush I am doing some detailing. Using the same brush I will make a border for this pot, and also I will make the border for this design. Once the design is done, it is the time to give a coat of varnish to secure the painting. And here comes the final reveal of our pot. Our boring pot has been transformed into a beautiful pot. The greenery which is added inside this pot is giving a beautiful and elegant look for this pot. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Stay tuned with me as I am planning to share festival decor DIYs in my upcoming videos. If you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get the notification. See you soon, take care and bye bye.